I take this opportunity to talk to the International Union of Soil Science Community regarding my November 2018 Viewpoint. It is addressing the theme of soil-centric agricultural reformation. Dear fellow soil scientists, the world agriculture is at a crossroads. The green revolution of the 60s and 70s, based on improved varieties of rice and wheat and intensive use of agrochemicals, saved hundreds of millions of people from starvation. Between 1961 and 2014, the cereal grain production in the world increased by a factor of 3.91, from 643 million tons to 2,514 million tons, while the land area increased by only 33.9%, from 425 million hectares to 569 million hectares under cereals. And the per capita grain production increased to 350 kilograms in 2017, which indicates a uniquely impressive global success story. While the Green Revolution created food security issues, the concept and its adoption served its purpose of bringing about a rapid increase in food production. It's also created some environmental consequences, such as the pollution of air, contamination, eutrophication of water, and degradation of soil, including salinization. Furthermore, the benefits of Green Revolution not availed in most of the sub-Saharan Africa, whether either the inputs were not available or the resource-poor farmers were not sure of their usefulness in fragile soil and the harsh environment. Elsewhere, the widespread problem of environmental pollution, including algal bloom, soil degradation, water depletion regions of irrigated farmlands, and increasing emission of greenhouse gases. Therefore, increasing use of agrochemical in soils depleted of their organic matter content, while killing pests and pathogens also adversely affect human health, the health effects of pesticides are a major concern throughout the developing world and the developed world. The contamination of water, however, can also happen from inappropriate use of compost and green manure. Whereas soil degradation is exacerbated by excessive use of chemicals, secondary salinization and rise in water table by unnecessary flood-based irrigation, and air pollution by in-field and in-house burning of crop residue and other biomass. Yet, 821 million people are undernourished and 1 to 2 billion are malnourished, while the agriculture of the future immediately must address both food and nutritional sensitive issue. The uncontrolled growth of human reproduction must also be curbed through universal education, especially of girls. These environmental problems are also exacerbated by the mindset of taking soil and natural resources for granted. The severe problem of soil degradation caused by land misuse and soil mismanagement must be critically and urgently addressed. Thus, future agroecosystems must be soil-centric and conceptualized as pedagogically restorative, agronomically productive, environmentally regenerative, and clinically healthy. Simply put, the need for eliminating hunger and malnutrition must be reconciled with the necessity for improving the environment and of restoring the degraded and depleted soils. Agroecosystems must be managed by practices which restore soil health, recycle nutrients, conserve and purify water, strengthen biodiversity, and produce nutrient-rich food. Soil must never, ever be taken for granted. Thank you.